Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to boost gaming performance on Predator laptop hidden setting. So let's get started. First of all, open the Predator Sense app, which is pre-installed in your Predator laptop. It is beside the number lock in your keyboard. Click it. After that, go to the overclocking tab and switch from normal to extreme or turbo mode for better CPU and GPU performance. As you can see, this is the home of the Predator Sense. Then in the scenario, you will see the performance or turbo option. It will switch the mode for better CPU and GPU performance. While gaming, if you and change this to gaming, as you can see, it will go to turbo mode. Now change power plan to ultimate performance. Press Windows plus R in your keyboard. After that, type here power cfg.cpl, power cfg.cpl, then enter it. Then this power option will open. This removes CPU throttling during gaming. Then adjust NVIDIA control panel. Open the NVIDIA control panel on your Windows. After you have opened the NVIDIA panel, then under the manage 3D setting, go to the manage 3D setting. As you can see here is the manage 3D setting. Set power management mode prefer to maximum performance and set low latency mode to ultra. As you can see, here is the low latency mode. Change this to ultra. Then turn on G-Sync if your display supports it. Then cooling optimization. In Predator Sense fan control, sets fans to max or auto. If you go to fan control, as you can see, it is on max. If you hit auto, it will automatically decrease the fan volume, or you can custom the fan volume of GPU or CPU how much you want. In Predator Sense, enable GPU overclocking if supported, if combined with undervolting for cooler performance. And that's how you boost gaming performance on your Predator laptop with hidden settings. Try these tweaks and watch your FPS jump. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more performance tips, and I'll see you in the next one.